In this video, I'm about to show you how to integrate Printful with Shopify. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Shopify. Then, click on the first link to go to the official Shopify website. Now, click on the first free trial to begin setting up your Shopify account. Next, you'll be asked, where would you like to sell? Select the option that best suits your needs and click Next. After that, choose the description that best fits you under which of these best describes you. Then click Next again. Now select what do you sell and click Get Started. Then click on Sign up with Google to create your Shopify account. Choose the Google account you want to use or select Use another account if you prefer a different one. Now enter your email address and click Next. Then enter a password and click Continue. Now you'll see Shopify creating your account. Once you're logged in, go to the left side menu and click Add Apps. In the App Store, search for Printful and click on it. Next, click on Install to add Printful to your Shopify store. After that, sign in Printful using your Google account by clicking Google. Select the Google account you want to use and click Continue. Now, check the box to accept the terms and click Sign up. Then, you'll be asked to select the option that best describes you or your business. Choose what matches your situation. Complete the remaining steps according to your preference. Finally, click OK to connect your store to your email account. Once this is done, you'll see your Printful integration is complete. For further settings, click on More from the left side menu and check the configuration option. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.